For today's video, we are going to discuss about track-type combine harvester. A combine harvester is a complex agricultural machine designed to efficiently harvest and process various crops. How to operate a track-type combine harvester? First, cutting and gathering. The process begins with a cutting header, which is typically a wide, horizontal cutting device at the front of the combine. It cuts the crop plants at ground level on a specific height depending on the crop and field conditions. Second, threshing. The harvested crop enters the threshing component, which separates the grain from the rest of the plant. Threshing is accomplished through a combination of rotating cylinders, concaves, and other mechanical elements that beat and rub the crop, separating the edible grains from the non-edible parts. Third, separation. Once threshed, the mixture of grain and chaff continues through the combine to the separation system. Separation components like sieves and fans are used to separate the valuable grain from the lighter chaff and other debris. Fourth, cleaning. The separated grains then goes through a cleaning process to remove any remaining impurities like small stems or foreign material. Fans and screens help remove impurities, leaving primarily clean grain. 5. Grain storage. The clean grain is collected in the grain tank or happen located on the combine. This tank can hold a significant amount of harvested grain before it needs to be unloaded into a transport vehicle. 6. Straw disposal. The remaining straw and chaff which is no longer needed is typically expelled from the rear of the combine and left in rows in the field. This can be later collected or plowed into the soil. 7. Repeating the process. The combine harvester continues these steps as it moves through the field, repeating the process until the entire field is harvested. Minimum requirements of combine harvester that needs to be met before usage. First, safety feature. Ensure that the combine harvester meets safety standards including safety guards for moving parts, proper warning signs, and adequate safety measures to protect operators and bystanders. Second, engine and power. The engine should meet minimum power requirements and emission standards set by the relevant authorities. Fuel efficiency and emission control systems may also be addressed. Third, grain handling and cleaning. The harvester should have appropriate mechanisms for efficient grain collection and cleaning to minimize grain loss. Fourth, threshing and separation. Effective threshing and separation systems to separate grain from straw and other crop residue. 5. Grain storage. Proper storage and handling systems for the harvested grain including clean and sealed storage bins or compartments. 6. User manual and training. Provide a user manual for operators and ensure that training is available to use the combine harvester safely and efficiently. 7. Environmental regulations. Compliance with environmental regulations regarding emissions, fuel efficiency, and waste management. 8. Maintenance and service. Ensure that the combine harvester is designed for ease of maintenance and servicing with ready availability of spare parts. 9. The last, quality control and testing. The harvester may need to undergo testing and quality control to ensure that it meets the standards set by PAES.